So question number 2, the position of two towns A and B on the earth surface are 36 degrees, that is A, 36 degrees north, 49 degrees east, and B, that is 36 degrees north, 131 degrees west. So now F, find the difference in longitude between town A and B. Therefore, since this longitude is in the eastern side and this one is in the western side, we have to add. Therefore, the angle difference of the longitude will be 49 plus 131, which is equivalent to 180 degrees. That is the angle difference. Therefore, B, given that the radius of the earth is 6370, calculate the distance between town A and town B. So finding the distance, we need to know, is it movement along the great circle or movement along the small circle? Since we have allocated the points, this is the movement along the latitude, and the movement along the latitude, it is the movement along the small circle. Therefore, our formula will be 180, that is the angle difference over 360, times 2 times 22 over 7 times 63. Since I've been told to use 6370, then times cos 36 degrees. So it is the same as Kcse 196.5 kilometers. That is the movement from point A to point B. So the distance is this. Therefore, point C, another town C, is 840 kilometers east of town B on the same latitude as town A and B. Find the longitude of town C. Therefore, it means that the point is around here. That is our point C. That is the eastern side of B. Therefore, if it is in the eastern side of point B, it means it is the movement along the small circle. Therefore, it will be theta over 360, then times 2 times 22 over 7, then times 6370, cos 36 is equal to 840 kilometers. So after that, you'll be in a position to get theta, that is 9.335, which is the same as 9.3 degrees. Therefore, you take 131 degrees minus 9.3, you get 1.201.7 degrees west.